All right, so this is our math board for the first day. I hope you've gone through it and done it the best you can. So our first question asks, what time is it? So we need to look at our little hand and our big hand, and if you can remember, our little hand tells us the hour, and then the large, longer hand tells us the minutes. I'm gonna hit my scribble tool right here. We talked about that in an early video, and it's gonna let me circle things. And that's something you can use. If you don't see it, you go over here. It should look like a line at first, but then if you hit down, you can do the scribble tool. So it says, what time is it? We know that this shows that it's right between 2 and 3. So it wouldn't be 3:30. So we have 2:30 and 2:15, which are the last ones. So let's see. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and we know that that would be 2:30. So I can draw my little scribble right here. Doesn't have to be perfect, and then I click out, then you're gonna have to click your scribble again. You'll get used to it. Partition, which means divide each shape into fourths. Color 1/4 of each shape blue. You don't have to color the 1/4 of each shape blue. I'll cross that out. But let's partition or divide it into fourths. So I'm gonna have my scribble tool again, it's right up here. Let me click it. And you'll see the plus sign that'll show you it's ready, so I need 4, so that's 4. So I'm gonna do this for this one. Right in the middle, click, you're gonna have to click back, and write down. It doesn't have to be, well, perfect. As long as you see fourths, I'm fine with that. All right, so let's try using our scribble tool to do this one. I'm gonna do them long ways like that. So now I have that divided into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle groups of 2 to determine if the number is odd or even. So let's use our scribble tool again and circle the groups of 2. Got 1, 2 here. Got another 2 here. So far we have 4, 2, 4. I'm always going back to hit my scribble. Here's another 2, 6. Another 2 right here. 8. Gonna hit my scribble again. 10. 12. 14. Oh, and we have 1 left, so I can't hit my scribble tool because I don't have 2. So I'm going to click right here. I already have it, and there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So I can type 15 in, and I'm going to use my scribble tool, and we know that 15 is odd. So I'll just make a mark here. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. How many students were surveyed in all? So we're going to look at all these numbers. So we have pink, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have 25 students. Don't forget to put that at the end. Maggie counts 57 white flowers. She then counts some pink flowers. Now she has counted a total of 65 flowers. How many pink flowers did she count? So we have 57 plus, we don't know, equals 65. Or we could do 65 minus 57, because addition and subtraction are inverse, meaning what you do to this, 57 plus this, equals 65, you can do here. So I'm just going to count up 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I counted up 8 times. So she has 8 pink flowers. Now these last 2 are just optional like we do in class. You're going to fix this sentence. It's a run-on, so it needs punctuation. And then I did this one for you. And then you'll just click these